Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your OPPO Reno 3 Pro, for the first you have to open this application that you are going to use. So I will go for the Google Chrome, Google Play Store, Calendar, and for the settings, right now go right here and click on this button. And if you want to open Google Chrome, click on this two dots, tap on the split screen option, and right now you have to select the second application. So when you click here again, you can choose Play Store, for example, but also you can click on the arrow outside and pick other application. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.